Hear a bird sing, lifts its voice above the cold. The sting of frost stills it not. The bird sings to God. See the deer in forest glade, no idyllic life it leads, but foot and heart tread on through days. Its life is marked by God. See the little child, hungry, scared. Where is God? But he sees her and is closer than her breath itself. Caution, caution, condemning words against the throne of heaven. You do not know the conflict well. The bird knows better. Hear a bird sing, lifts its voice above